Our Amendment 33.2, titled Save the Bill of Rights, is an amendment which creates major obstacles to anyone trying to amend the Bill of Rights. As you know, the Bill of Rights were approved after the Constitution was written for the purpose of protecting the people from the abusive exercise of governmental power. Most people find them to be sacrosanct and not to be amended in any fashion. For example, I provided that it takes unanimous consent to amend the First Amendment, which has to do with free speech. But generally speaking, these amendments should be left the way they are, and there should be a provision put in the Constitution that no matter how many people we have or what faith they have, whether they believe in a theocracy over a democracy, they will not be able to amend the Bill of Rights.